Hello everyone, Trish from Integration for Life here. I just want to share with you some beautiful sacred languages, some light languages and some sounding. It's a beautiful day today as we've just come into a super full moon and a lunar eclipse. We've also supposedly moving into what's been known as energetic tsunami or wave X, and what that will mean is that across the planet millions of people will shift in consciousness today into their fifth dimensional selves. So it's really beautiful to be able to work with you on this day. I felt drawn to be able to share this with you, and hopefully that it will help you and help integrate some of these energies, these beautiful crystalline light codes that are coming into our bodies and into humanity and the planet. So if you'd like to just take some time out now to collect in with the rest of the consciousness of the planet and help that shift to take form. So if you'd like to just settle yourself down now and come into your center. So taking a couple of deep breaths in. And just allowing your day that has been to just merge into the background now. It's best to look into my eyes directly as that takes you into your soul. And your soul will understand what I'm saying, even though your consciousness will not. But your soul will be able to then integrate that into the consciousness, so that then your whole body and your mind, emotions, physical and spiritual, all be merged. So just taking some time now and letting go the day. Just centering yourself deeply into your heart. That's good. Resting in peace within your heart. Hakoya Tayano Posiete. Welcome. Makitoi eneta sanyana tayuna. Mokoi koyena taita. Salatotam miatoka Yonomo Krishenian Tietatoni mane kokayatare Sitoni netorieta Yana toki tina boyanake Sanyadikte Akola papa monayati yatsam Diomiate yakaya. Daria Sania Pokiambia. Hayatai, Momia de Doi, Tishete, Hayamawi, Madama, Yonomoko Shanitidi, and Abokazi, Teparotu. Hasiya Maratoria, drawing it into your heart. Mekiyotu Sanya Damia Boledu into your third eye, directly into your pineal gland. Just allowing the crystalline energies to draw down now deep into your crown. Through the stellar gateway, deep down into your heart center. Down through all of your chakras, aligning every chakra all the way down, out through your base, out through your legs, your feet, into the earth starseed chakra, into the core of Mother Earth. Just looking deeply into my eyes now. Allowing all of those encodements, those light frequencies just to drift, trickle into your body, into your cellular memory. Aligning you, integrating you with your divine, higher and over self. Blessings be. Blessings be. So just allow that to just filter into your body. And until next time, much love from me. Let's make this planet sing with all these beautiful energies. Take care. Until next time, much love.